So guys, this is the part 3 of our Mango testnet. Okay, I did a part which is this part, and I mistakenly called it part 3. Meanwhile it's actually part 4. Okay, it's actually part 4. Meanwhile this one is the part 3. So in the part 3 we are doing the bridging here, which is where the main whole thing is. Okay, so you just need to tap on it. So yeah, now the next thing, you see the instructions it gave to us. It says mango to bsc, mango to earth, bsc to mango, earth to mango, right? And this will give us 10 points. So you just need to click on go to tax. So it brings up to this page. Now the first thing you need to do here is not connecting wallet. You need to select network first here. Okay, click on select network. Yeah, so we are selecting mango testnet. Select mango testnet, then click on the second icon which it says select this place. You click on it and then you select USDT. Okay, select USDT. Now you now connect your wallet. So the first the first wallet connected, you now connect your wallet. So you see the wallet is connected. Let me see the selecting again. Yeah, select USDT. Wallet is connected. Now the second one, everything enters automatically for you. This is BNB network, and then it select USDT for us automatically. So you need to connect your MetaMask. At this point you need to you need to open up your MetaMask, because you need to connect your MetaMask. Meanwhile, the part 4 that I did it in my Kiwi browser. Okay, I switched all these things to Kiwi browser and did it there. And I did it there. If this one do not work as well, I will have to switch it to Kiwi browser and try it. So click on connect. Let us see. Okay, as you can see, the wallet, it's not connecting. This wallet is not connecting. So I will try doing this in Kiwi, guys. I'm switching everything to Kiwi. Let's continue from there. Okay, so I'm at Kiwi browser right now. So let me try doing it again on Kiwi. Select mango network, select USDT, connect wallet. Yeah, and I hope you guys know how to. All these things are easy. Okay, switching this thing is very easy. You just need to copy the link, come to Kiwi browser, paste it, and then click on mango wallet, install the mango wallet, import it back into this place, and then you proceed. Okay, so that's just the thing. So as you can see, this is not connecting, and it's showing me that my wallet is locked. So I need to unlock it. And then continue. So I've entered my password, and the next thing to do is to click on select all networks. Okay, click on it and then click on connect. So you see it, I've connected. So at the second part, you now click on connect wallet here. Let me see if it will connect this side. So as you can see, it looks like it will connect. So now I unlock, connect. So you see it have connected. It have connected in wallet have connected in Kiwi, right? So if you try doing this in Mrs. and it doesn't work, bring it to Kiwi and you see it work. So the next thing to do is to put in the amount we are bridging. Let me bridge just 1 USDT from Mango network to BSC, which is Binance Merchant Network. So click on submit. You see I entered how many mango I am bridging. See that we I entered the amount. So I click on submit. So I need to sign the transaction. Guys, just follow this step by step. Okay, and remember, this thing is done daily. This is a daily thing. As you're doing it, you're seeing your points. So we have bridged from mango to BSC. Now I need to click on this BSC to change it to Ethereum. Okay, click on it, change it to Ethereum. We are now bridging from mango to Ethereum, right? So at the amount part, I still put 1 USDT again. Select this and yeah, put one USDT and select this. I put it, select the USDT at Ethereum side as well. Okay, so we are bridging 1 USDT again. So you click on submit. You also sign the transaction. So you approve the transaction. So it's done, right? It's done. Now I love these things because it's very fast, so fast. So now that we have done this, the next thing is to do, we now bridge from, we click on Mango, change it to BSC. We are bridging from BSC to Mango now. So you now click on, I select USD. Sorry, now when you come to this area, you don't select USDT now. You don't select USDT, right? When you select that BSC, what you select is this one. Okay, BNB, that's what you will select. So let me cancel this and connect wallet. So I've connected the BNB wallet. Then come to this second part. I come here and I select, okay, I need to select the asset first. You now select BNB. You see it now, you select BNB. Then in fact everything changes on its own. You see it change. Now you connect your Mango wallet, connect wallet at Mango. Is connected, right? Just I touched there and it was connected. Now we are bridging this place. Now that is still showing, this place showing this BNB logo, you need to change it to, it was supposed to change to Mango. Okay, let's bridge and see. Let me put in the amount. Let's bridge 0.25. Sorry, 0.25. You see it there, enter the 0.25. So submit. Let's see. It says please switch to BSC testnet. So if this thing happens, what you need to do is to wait for a while, and then you come and try it again and see if it will go. If it doesn't go, you go to your MetaMask and switch to BNB testnet version. Okay, you see it's still not going, so let me wait for a while. If it doesn't go, I will show us what to do. Or let me just refresh this page and see if it will on its own correct itself. We are bridging from BNB, select asset, BNB, connect wallet at this side. Let me try doing it again. 0.25. It's still saying the same thing. So what you will do is to open a new tab and then you say chainlist.org. I will drop the link in the video description. Chainlist.org. So it opens up. You need to connect wallet. Okay, let's connect our wallet. Or in fact, you see that our wallet is not connecting, so I change this into desktop site. So what I have to do, you need to tick on this include testnet. You see there, I ticked it, include testnet. So on this search icon, you need to search BNB. So you will look for, you see this is BNB smart chain, OPBNB. We are looking for BNB I see BNB testnet. Okay, this is what you have to do. This BNB smart chain testnet. So you need to, at this point, to click on connect. Let me see if it will connect to our wallet. It's not connecting, right? It's not connecting. Okay guys, I minimized and came to my wallet and I saw that I see the option is there for me to connect. So you see, I'm just adding my network now. So this is what you have to do. Okay, it's here now. So let's go and continue what we are doing. Let me close this now. So let's come back and continue. So I have to refresh this page again. Sorry, not this. I select this again, select BNB, then connect wallet. Everything comes up. I connect wallet here, put in the amount 0.25 again, 0.25. Click on submit now. So you see it have gone. It's submitting now. So you wait for the pop-up for you to sign the transaction. If it is not popping up, as you can see, it's not popping up, so I have to check. Let me check the MetaMask again. Click on activity. You see unapproved. So you click on that unapproved and then you click on confirm. This is because we are using Kiwi browser. Okay, this is how Kiwi browser always waste time. So it have confirmed now. So we come back here. So this one is done. So we bridge again from Ethereum. We bridge from Ethereum. You select asset, select Ethereum. So we are bridging 0.075. You are bridging 0.075. You submit. It says please switch to Ethereum testnet. The same thing again. So these things are always a problem. So let me go to the wallet and see. So let's go to DeFi. Let's go to I will do the same thing on this chain list again, and then we proceed. So on this place again, you need to check, just check this thing. Click on that include testnet. You get, click on it, and then you type on that search icon. You type ETH. So let me see let me show you the one that we are going to use. You need to scroll and check, right? ETH. It doesn't come up. Let me say Sepolia. We can say Sepolia. Okay, Sepolia. So let's look for it. We are looking for Ethereum Sepolia to add, or you can type it ETH Sepolia. ETH. Also, since we are not seeing this, guys, another way to do this is to come here, come to your wallet again, and click on this place. Click here, okay, and let's say show, you toggle this thing, this show testnet, this one, you toggle it on. So yeah, you see Sepolia right there. So you tap on Sepolia. So let me tap on Sepolia. Yes, you see it there now. Sepolia ETH. It have come up. So let's go back to bridge. So let me refresh this. Let me refresh this and start it again. Ethereum. Select ETH. Connect wallet. Connect wallet on the second part. Then 0.075. You see, I'm seeing the figure here. This is where you see the figure to do. Okay, you see it right there. So you submit. It's not supposed to be showing this again. Okay, guys, so it just went through, right? It just went through. So I confirm. You confirm the transaction. So I think it's done. Let me check. Let me refresh and check. Yes, it's done. So the next thing is to come back to this place and then click on submit. Click on submit. Click on submit. Click on submit. So as you can see, it's already showing completed. So let's wait for the next two to complete. So as you can see, everything is completed. So the next thing is to click on events. You need to go back to events and let's check our point. This thing is part of the things I do daily, on a daily basis. So right here, our points keep increasing right here. So this is it, guys. I have done literally almost everything. Because of time, I have done this in the part 4 and this as well. So this one I may not be able to do because of the nature of how it is. Okay, so this is literally what you need to do in this part. This is done every day, right? So do this every day and keep collecting these points. Okay, thank you guys and have a nice day.